Today we get to read out of Isaiah 57 verse 18. I have seen their ways, but I will heal them. I will guide them and restore comfort to Israel's mourners. Today I want to encourage you by knowing that God is with you. He has promises for us that He will restore us, that He will heal us, and that He will be with us. As it says here, I will guide them and restore comfort to Israel's mourners. Today I want to encourage you that if you are feeling heartbroken, if people have disappointed you, have broken your heart, and you are in a time of mourning, know that when you seek the Lord, He is the one that will comfort you, He is the one that will guide you, and He is the one that will heal you. And I want to encourage you, knowing that it says here, I have seen their ways. God sees you. He sees where you are. He sees that you cry out to Him. He sees that you seek Him. And He will heal you and He will comfort you. Because why? We get to surrender to Jesus daily.